0. Assignment, controlling area to operating concern. Zap 9, Zap 0. Okay, save. Okay. Now next comes in planned cost splitting. KSS4. Okay. OKKS. Zap 9. First we have to set this. KSS4. Cost center X1009. Period 1 to 1, fiscal year 2024. Good. Okay, we have 2448. Okay. Test run. Execute. Most elements. Okay, this is how it's done. All right. Activity types, salary and rent has been. It has been split base TCHRA. One and two. The ratio is 1 and 2. Okay, base ratio. Okay. This is necessary. This is important. We actually selected this. So what we are actually doing right now is correct steps. Okay. Next. KSPI. Now, these are some important steps. In the last lecture, we did KP06, KP26, KSS4, and KSPI. This is for activity pricing and planning, activity quantity planning, price and quantity. And based on that, we actually get per activity cost. Okay. Okay. All cost centers, period 1 to 1. All business process, test run. Okay. What do we have? SHRM, page up. TCHRA. Why TCHRM is empty? Because nothing is planned and the equivalence number is 2. And on number 2 that we did in the last lecture, there is no input of activity quantity that we put, 720 if you remember. So we have for TSHRA because this is automated for cost planning. Okay, these are plans. Okay, we have errors as well, processing completed with errors. Okay. No, because test run, execute. save despite errors have been posted. Okay. Number of messages. Activity is 0. Plan and cost for activity type is 0. However, cost for plan, because we haven't actually entered anything for TCHRM. Okay, primary cost and activity type planning procedure. Fine. One has been posted, the other one has not been posted because we have not updated the activity. Okay. Yes. Okay. We have already posted that. Now, next part is KP31N. Okay. Receiving cost center is X1001, X1002, X20. Okay. Item, 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 photo quantity 300, 200, and 20, 01, 01, zap 9, post. One is posted under 901. Okay. Now, next part is FP01L. Four with that 9. 400, 500, 45,000, and X1009, 4,400, 600, 56,000, 009, 50, 200, 691. Ball. Oh. That 9, 400, 500, 5,000, 200, 600. Okay, posted. Next is ASP1. Okay. Okay, S ZAP 9, KSB 1. Okay, 400, 400, 500, 400, 600, 1, execute. This 400, 645, 0.102. Okay. We passed two entries because I believe we have passed another entry in the previous lecture, and we got stuck with the server. Yeah. Okay. Next is KB51N. We have done with this activity price calculation, TSHRA, and then SQ. Okay. Come on.